trial, and that is their constitutional mandate.
So, unconstitutional po yun kung
Well, for me, that is unconstitutional. They are violating their constitutional mandate.
Although allegations pa lang po itong mga ito, pero anong magagawa ng House Constitution Panel po para kalampagin po yung Senado na mag-convene as an impeachment court?
For now, hindi ko pa kasi alam yung issue. Pababa lang ako nung narinig ko si Senator Ping Lacson na ini-interview. Basically, hindi ko pa masagot dahil hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung laman ng resolution, hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung talagang mismong gist, no? So, basta't ako, yung opinion ko dyan is ang constitutional mandate ng Senate is to conduct the trial.
It's de facto dismissing the impeachment trial, the impeachment complaint. How do you feel about this?
Well, syempre, parang sa amin, ito kasi yung naging, ito kasi yung trabaho namin eh. We are just performing our constitutional duty. So, syempre, kung ito naman ay babaliwalain by mere resolution, tingin ko parang hindi naman maganda.
Sir, do you think it's unfair for the Senate to kill the trial?
Ano po?
Do you think it's unfair for the Senate to kill the trial?
They have to explain it to the people.
Ano
Sir, if
naramdaman
they
niyo, sir?
dismiss it by a mere Senate resolution, is that basis to go to the Supreme Court?
For now, hindi pa namin napag-uusapan kung ano magiging steps dahil hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung laman ng resolution eh.